is Leigh Funderburk with Stoney Creek Farm in Franklin, Tennessee. Wanted to tell you about our Sustainable Farm Conference on March 30th. We have a jam-packed Saturday full of learning how to be self-sufficient and live sustainably. And whether that's in your own backyard or on a few acres like we have. We've got a 15-acre farm here in Franklin, and you actually get to see our business model and what we do here. But we show you how to grow your own healthy food without pesticides or herbicides. We talk about beekeeping, that honey beekeeping, as well as solitary bees. We also cover rainwater capture, composting, beneficial insects, and all types of subjects. Farm animals, chickens and their life cycle, just a ton of information that you can learn how to be sustainable and how to have a life that with less stress and more joy. So come join us and be dirt rich at our Sustainable Farm Conference here on March 30th. Hope to see you there.